Craving that after dinner dessert and you're keto. What do? You make a keto affogato coffee. So today, that's what we're doing. So welcome to the kitchen and Keto with Kenny. We are going to take our Moka coffee pot and make a little bit of espresso and use our keto ice cream. If you're not subscribed yet, subscribe. Go back and look at our videos. We've got multiple flavors. We're using a vanilla bean keto ice cream. So we're gonna make a Moka Pot, pour that over some wonderful ice cream. It's only gonna be 3 grams of carbs, so it's gonna really satisfy that craving. If you've been to Italy and had an affogato, a real one, it's not gonna be absolutely strict and wonderful like that, but it's gonna be wonderful in its own way for keto. So let's get started. So we're gonna take our Moka Pot. It just unscrews and has 3 different spots. So we're gonna take, and I've pre-measured our water. You don't wanna use cold water. You wanna use lukewarm to a little warm. Use a low medium heat, and as soon as it starts to bubble into our pot, you'll see inside the pot, it's got its own little spigot that spouts out that coffee. Once you hear that coffee spouting out into our pot, you want to take and remove it from the heat so that it doesn't get bitter. It's still got a nice coffee flavor so that when you drowned it over that scoop of vanilla keto ice cream, it's really delicious. So we're just going to take a little bit of Hawaiian hazelnut flavor, and we are going to pour our water in. You'll notice that the Moka Pot has a little relief valve. You don't want to fill it over that. So I've already pre-measured. About 5 ounces is what I've got that fits in mine. So once I've got that there, we're gonna set our coffee right in there, and I'm just gonna scoop out. You want to fill it nice and comfortable, but you don't want to pat it down like you would in a espresso machine, because that will clog up your Moka Pot and not give you the flavor that you're looking for. So got it just set there. We're gonna take and screw that right on. And another key tip, you don't want to screw it down really, really tight, because once it's hot and everything and you're trying to clean up, you wanna be able to undo that as well. So we've got it just nice and snug. We're gonna take and place it on our stove top. Just about a medium heat. Once that gets done, we'll show you how it spouts out through, and we'll pour it over some great keto ice cream. All right, let's grab our coffee. We'll throw in some keto ice cream, pour that over, and see how it tastes. Open up our ice cream, vanilla bean, beautiful, nice, creamy. Oh, look at that. Yes. We're gonna go 2 decent scoops. There we are. Set that to the side. I'll show you what that looks like right there. And then we're just gonna take our coffee. You can see it's all done. And just pour it right over the top. Just gonna drown that keto ice cream. I know you can't smell it, but once that coffee hit that vanilla bean ice cream, look at that, beautiful. So let's give that a taste and see. A little bit of coffee, a little bit of ice cream. Wonderful dessert, keeps you in keto. So if you're craving something quick and easy, if you've already seen our keto ice cream recipe, really easy to make. Takes about 4 hours to freeze to get you that nice consistency. So you're gonna have to pre-plan ahead before you can have some coffee, affogato, keto style. If you like what you see, give us a subscribe. We've got great other desserts. We've got fantastic meal plans and just a little bit of humor to go with it too. We'd love to have you with us. Here's to health and happiness.